Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're revealing the top 6 products rated by performance, budget, value, and more. For the latest prices and information, check the description below. ARRMA Typhon 6S V5 4WD BLX Buggy Experience. Unparalleled performance with the ARRMA RC Car 1i8 Typhon 6S V5 4WD BLX Buggy, featuring the powerful Spektrum Firma system. This ready-to-run RTR buggy is designed for high-speed thrills and robust off-road capability. The sleek black and red color scheme gives it a striking appearance that matches its impressive performance. Equipped with a 2050 kV brushless motor, this buggy reaches incredible speeds with ease. The 6S LiPo compatibility ensures extended run times and maximum power output. The 4WD drivetrain provides superior traction and control, allowing you to tackle various terrains with confidence. The aluminum chassis and oil-filled shocks enhance durability and stability, ensuring the Typhon 6S can withstand the rigors of intense bashing sessions. The Spektrum Firma electronics offer precise control and responsiveness, with the included DX3 Smart transmitter providing real-time telemetry data. The waterproof design ensures you can drive in any weather condition, while the dBoots tires deliver exceptional grip and handling. Perfect for both seasoned RC enthusiasts and newcomers, the ARRMA Typhon 6S V5 BLX Buggy offers an exhilarating driving experience with its blend of speed, durability, and advanced technology. Be ready to hit the track straight out of its box. It's an excellent choice for anyone looking to dominate their local RC scene. Vanquish VS4-10. The Vanquish products. VS4-10. 4-dice RTR in striking blue is the ultimate ready-to-run RC crawler for enthusiasts seeking top-tier performance and realism. Crafted with precision and attention to detail, this model delivers an unparalleled off-road experience. At its core, the VS4-10 4-dice features a robust aluminum chassis designed for durability and optimal weight distribution. The high-performance VFD twin transmission provides superior control and versatility, enabling you to conquer even the most challenging terrains. The portal axles enhance ground clearance, while the aluminum shocks offer smooth and adjustable damping for a customizable ride. This RTR model comes fully assembled with a detailed 4-dice body, boasting an eye-catching blue finish and realistic scale details. The precision-molded tires and beadlock wheels ensure exceptional grip and stability on various surfaces. Powered by a reliable brushless motor and an advanced ESC, the VS4-10 4-dice delivers consistent power and speed. The included Spektrum DX3 Smart transmitter and receiver provide intuitive control and telemetry feedback, enhancing your driving experience. Whether you're a seasoned crawler or a newcomer to the hobby, the Vanquish product's VS4-10 4-dice RTR offers a perfect blend of performance, durability, and scale realism, making it a standout choice for any RC enthusiast. Traxxas 110 TRX4. The clipless body's hidden latching system gives the F150 High Trail Edition clean, flowing lines, achieving a new level of scale realism and convenience. On the trail, the F150's clipless body holds tight when needed, but can be released in just seconds to access the chassis. The F150's extended steel ladder frame lengthens the wheelbase to 336 mm, perfectly capturing the pickup's real-world proportions. This longer wheelbase also provides greater climbing stabilities and a smoother, more stable rides over rough terrain. The large 2.2 slotted mag wheels and Canyon Trail tire tames even the most technical trails, extending your scale adventures farther than ever before. Additionally, the factory-installed long-arm lift kit raises the F150 High Trail Edition over an inch taller, offering superior ground clearance. Redcat Racing. Gen 8 V2. The Redcat Racing Gen 8 V2, International Scout a 2, 1/10 scale. Rock Crawler in striking green is a high-performance scaled truck designed for severe RC enthusiasts. Featuring a detailed and rugged International Scout 2 body, this model offers both aesthetic appeal and exceptional off-road capabilities. Built on a sturdy ladder-frame chassis, the Gen 8 V2 has high torque, single-speed transmission, and portal axles, providing superior ground clearance and minimizing torque twist. The adjustable wheelbase allows for customization to suit various terrains and driving styles. A 17T RC 550 powers this rock crawler brushed motor, and a waterproof 40A brushed ESC ensures reliable performance in all weather conditions. The Gen 8 V2 suspension system includes threaded aluminum shocks with adjustable preload, delivering smooth and consistent handling. Its realistic licensed Interco IROC Super Swamper tires and functional beadlock wheels provide excellent traction on all surfaces. The model also features a complete set of ball bearings, a metal gear servo, and a centrally mounted battery tray for optimal weight distribution. The RTR, ready-to-run, setup includes a 2.4 GHz radio system for precise control, making it an ideal choice for beginners and experienced crawlers. The Redcat Racing Gen 8 V2 International Scout 2 is perfect for those seeking a versatile, durable, and highly detailed rock crawler that performs as impressively as it looks. Kyosho 1.8 Inferno NEO 3.0. The Kyosho Inferno NEO RC Car's engine uses nitro fuel instead of electric batteries. This RC buggy uses a double wishbone suspension to increase handling and universal swing shafts to improve crash resistance and minimize drive loss. The suspension system includes oil-filled shocks that can be adjusted to suit different track conditions, providing smooth and responsive handling. The advanced braking system ensures precise stopping power, giving drivers confidence and control. The Inferno NEO 3.0 is equipped with a 2.4 GHz radio system for reliable and interference-free control. The RTR package includes everything you need to get started, except for the 8 AA batteries required for the transmitter. The detailed green body, complete with pre-applied decals, gives the buggy a striking appearance on the track. Whether you're a seasoned racer or a newcomer to the RC world, the Kyosho 1.8 Inferno NEO 3.0 offers an exhilarating driving experience with its blend of power, precision, and rugged design. Hypergo H14BM 1-14. The factory speed limit of this monster truck is 33 mph, but you can unlock the speed lock by pressing the switch 5 times. With a 3S battery, the truck can reach an incredible speed of over 45 mph, 73 km/h, and in optimal conditions, it can achieve superfast speeds of 50 mph, 80 km/h, using an Angry Snail 3S 2000 battery. The multi-terrain airless style tires with a diameter of 100 mm are suitable for running on grass, gravel, and dirt roads. Extra paddle tires allow the truck to easily conquer extreme terrains such as snow, sand, and mud. The pre-mounted sponge-inserted tires and oil-filled absorbers greatly reduce shaking when driving at high speeds. The newly designed adjustable, oil-filled shocks keep you confidently in control. Rugged chassis components, including steel differential outdrives, metal gearbox internals, a heavy-duty drivetrain, durable steel universal telescopic drive shaft, and more, contribute to unstoppable bashing performance. The composite front bumper lets you fearlessly tackle almost anything that stands in your way.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our new latest uploads.